Hey guys, Christy McLean here, just checking in with you guys on the garden tower. Let's take a look and see how it's doing. So here it is. This is our basil. Our basil's struggling a little bit, so I'm going to do some research on what I need to do to help it. But our bean plants, I went ahead and planted all of them. They are doing really well. Our lettuce is up here at the top. So I think next week we'll be able to start measuring and doing some of those comparisons of growth. Let's look over here at our shoe rack vertical garden. All right, you see our bean plants on the bottom. The light's hard, trying to get a good view for you. Our basil is growing slowly over here, but it's much greener and healthier than it is in the garden tower. And here's our lettuce. Our lettuce is what's struggling a little bit in here, so I'm gonna do some research on that. What we are gonna do today is release some ladybugs into just my backyard because I'm noticing some aphids are gathering on the garden tower. And I just wanna make sure that they don't eat our lovely plants. So do you guys wanna do that with me? Of course you do. All right, let me go get the ladybugs. So here is the company we got the ladybugs from, and they sent me a bag of 1,500 ladybugs. Now that would be good for a garden that's like 1,000 square feet. Our little area, not that big. All right, so we're just gonna release a few of them. I'm going to release them into our little horizontal bed here and then let them migrate onto the other vertical gardens. Look, some of them are already coming out. Hi guys, say hello. Hello. So if you have been following along with my mealworm videos, these are another great insect to observe if you happen to find any outside or in your backyard or near where you live. They also grow and change, and so you could observe what their life cycle is like. So I'm just gonna kind of set the bag in the garden and let them kind of migrate their way out. I don't want too many because like I said, our garden is not that big, and then they will make their way to where they need to be. They're very helpful in gardens to eat little other insects like aphids that will eat the leaves. All right, that's it for now. Can't wait to see you guys next week. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.